Hello viewers, today we are going to learn how to convert temperatures between centigrade and Fahrenheit. So first we'll learn that to change the temperature, if degree centigrade temperature is how to convert centigrade temperature to Fahrenheit, and then later we will learn how to convert Fahrenheit temperature to centigrade. So let's get started. Suppose we need to convert 37 degrees centigrade to degree Fahrenheit, and for this we should remember, or you should learn the basic formula, which is C over 5 is equal to F minus 32 over 9, where C is the temperature in centigrade and F is the temperature in Fahrenheit. So let's get started. We'll substitute, or we'll put the values in the equation, and then we'll find the temperature in Fahrenheit. So here C is equal to 37, F is question mark. Okay, so we'll put the values. So 37 over 5 is equal to F minus 32 over 9. Now here we'll cross multiply. So 37 times 9 over 5 is equal to F minus 32. So 37 times 9 is 7 9s are 63, 6 carryovers, 9 3s are 27, and 6 is 33. So 333 over 5 is equal to F minus 32. So this gives us 5 times 6, and then 3, and then 5 times 6 dot 66.6 is equal to F minus 32. So F, we can write it as F minus 30. I'm just switching the sides so that it is easier to see the variable, because we keep the variable on the left hand side. So I'm just switching the sides. So it is 66. F minus 32 is equal to 66.6. So F will be equal to 66.6 plus 32, which is 8 and 98.6 degrees. So the temperature in Fahrenheit is 98.6 degrees. So 37 degrees centigrade is equal to 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. This is how we convert from degree centigrade to degree Fahrenheit. This is very easy. You just need to remember a formula to convert Fahrenheit to centigrade and centigrade to Fahrenheit. So now let's get started with the second one, how to convert degree Fahrenheit to degree centigrade. So here is our degree Fahrenheit. So let's take another quantity as 100 degrees. So let's check what is 100 degrees Fahrenheit in centigrade. So our basic relation is C over 5 is equals to F minus 32 over 9. We are going to use the same formula, but here C is question mark, F is 100 degrees. So now we'll put the values here. So C over 5 is 100 minus 32 over 9. C over 5 is equal to 100 minus 32 is, this is 8, and this is 68 over 9. So C over 5 will be 68 over 9 is 7 and 5, 7.5. Let me check here. 68 divided by 9. So 9 sevens are 63 and 5.07. Yep. It's 7.55. So C will be equal to 7.55 times 5. So C is the temperature in Fahrenheit. So this is going to be 7.55 times 5, which is 5, and to carry over 7 point, and this is 37.75 degrees centigrade. So we got 100 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 37.75 degree centigrade. So this is how, using the relation between centigrade and Fahrenheit, this relation C over 5 is equals to F minus 32 over 9, we can convert Celsius degree temperature to Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit degree temperature to Celsius or centigrade. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share my videos. Thanks for watching.